Or while you receive all the machines, that will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 machines together. And now it is all without the power wiring and installation. And later we will show you how to get each one connected with each other, and also about the settings for that. So this will make you more easier to do installation for that. The first one, while you receive the vacuum pump package, you will receive it like this. And the first step, you will install the this feet to okay. First one, and then here it has one intake and one outtake. That is intake. Intake here. Intake install this. Okay. And that side that will be outtake.
该说这个上面要用水胶布，一定要有这个。
Yeah, and here it has. This is for you to prove the leakage. So you have to use this kind of the sticker here.
密封的。
It is for seal, and now here it is outtake, and this is for you for it to get less noise. Okay, and then this is set up for the vacuum pump.
有3个。
And usually the full set it will have 3 pieces together, so the installation are the same. And now install the bottom foot. Intake, the outtake, and that side it is intake. Intake here. So this is for the installation for the vacuum pumps. Okay, it is done. And then for USA customers, you will have to use this power transformer. It is for you to convert the 110 voltage to 220. And then the first one, you will plug it into your wall. So the voltage that side will convert it to 220 for the machines. But here now it is 220 already, so we do not need to use that one. And after you install it to the wall, and then you will use this power strip. Each set of machine will include one power strip. You will plug it with the power transformer and then connect to each machine. And for European country and other countries, then no need this kind of power transformer also. This is only for United States. And now here it is the LCD separator, the semi-automatic one. And this one, it will connect with the vacuum pump. The vacuum pump without pedal. This one, yeah. This one.
Yeah.
This is the power line of the vacuum pump. Put it aside here. This is for vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. And here it is the power for the machine itself. And you plug it here and then connect to the power strip. To the power strip. Okay. So this is the first one. And then you will use the hose to connect with the vacuum pump, so it has air inside. And then the next one is glue removal machine.
这个，写这个，上面写。
Oh.
这个
Also, while we shipping it, we will use this one like this direction. So after you get it, you can lose it and then put another direction, like this.
这个呀，拧到最里面的。
And this one is for you to adjust the motor from front to back. 这个线已写好吗？
你写的。
And then the next step, you will install the steel wire. Put it like it is counterclockwise direction. 逆时针哦。
上嘛。
Like this. You can roll it like 20 round or 30. Okay. Yeah, this is on the up. See, it is up, and then this will from down, so it can roll. Okay, from down onto this side. Yeah. Okay, and then cut it. And then you make two sides the same. And this one, you can make it to adjust the tightness of the wine. The wine cannot be too tight or too loose.
要不要给他们听一下那个声音？
So you can feel it. Okay. Yeah, like this, it is very tight.
OK。
Yeah. Okay, and here, this is the rubber. Will be a rubber for this machine for the hot plate. You have to put it here and make sure the holes match with each other. So this one, it can keep the LCD from sliding.
这样子对准它，然后放上去。可以开这个。
Yeah.
这个。
And then this is vacuum pump, so it cannot move. And this one.
这个。
Here. And here, you will need to open this. Now it is off. Open, and also you can adjust the speed, like this, the speed. Okay, and then now it is temperature here, 90 degree. Okay.
这个可以了啊。
Okay, so this is done for the LCD separator, and then the next step we move to glue removal. This one you just need to connect it with the power line. This one. The power line just connect to the power strip directly. Okay, just one button for that. This is the temperature. Here is the temperature controller, and here is it is a power button. And then you will put the LCD here. And now here it is for you to install the blade. Usually together with the machine, we will put like 10 pieces together with this machine in a small package. So while you receive the machine, you will install the blade by yourself. Yeah, put it here, and then like this, and then tighten these screws. Usually there are 3 screws together. Tighten it. Okay. Okay. And the machine while it is shipping, it is adjusted for the height already. If you would like to change the height for this part, you can just adjust these screws. Later they will show you how to adjust that. Like this is iPhone 5, so you can check.
这个松。
Now loose this big one. To here.
这个紧。
And then tighten this four. 这就像向下的了。Tighten this four.
这个调。
Then it will go down. And then you loose this four and tighten the big one, then it will up. So you can adjust by yourself according to the thickness of the LCD.
下。
就向上的。
就这个上下调这个上下的。
And usually while the machine is shipping, we have adjusted the height for the iPhone 5 LCD.
可以啊，这个。
Okay, so this is done. And the next one, no. Next one is this one.
接这个。这个。
Next one, this is the manual laminating machine. You will choose one vacuum pump with the pedal. See, there is a pedal control with this vacuum pump. Okay, put it.
一定要接有踏板的。
So your feet can control this pump directly. To the power strip, so it can, okay, see it can control, and then you will need one hose to connect with this machine. 这对接。
接这个。
To here, and then to this side. Correct. So you can hold it.
不会掉。
Yeah, so it can hold both the glue and also the LCD, and it cannot move.
可以了啊。
Okay.
这边不清晰，黑的没事。
没关系。
对啊，然后接这个。
And then next one is this machine. This machine, 那我们要先那个。
空调机了。
把空气包过来。And this machine, this OC vacuum laminator, it will go together with the air compressor. The air compressor, if you get from us, then we will send this one to you.
再接个把，如果没有这个空调机，接个这个拔的管子就可以了。
And if you get the air compressor locally, then you just need this kind of connector. It's okay. So the first one, the same, connect to the power strip, and then together with this machine, we will put this kind of accessories
接
together.
这个拔的管子出来就可以了。
This is the 8mm. So if you get air compressor locally, you just have the 8mm hose together with air compressor. Then we will give you this kind of connector. You can connect with each other, yeah, like this. See it? Yeah. So very easy. And then now here it is two connector. One it will for air for the OC vacuum laminator, and one will for the bubble remover. 再接电线。这边来。 还有一个怎么忘？ Okay, and also it will connect with one vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. Okay. Here it is the hose together with this machine. Then the white one you will connect with the air compressor, and the blue one you connect to the vacuum pump. To the vacuum pump, yeah. See, okay, and put it back. 这个要不要搬下来？
先接孵化机吧，接管是吧？孵化机。
And here it is bubble remover. Bubble remover. And then open the door, you will find the accessories inside. We put all the accessories inside. Just unpack it. This is a power line for bubble remover. You will connect to the power strip as well. Power strip to the back, and then to connect the hose to the vacuum to the air compressor, and the other side to the bubble remover directly. Bubble remover. Loose it and make it here, and then tighten it. Okay. We'll see. And then here it is a small button. Here it is a small handle. You have to put it like this direction, so it can it has air coming out.
再说嘛，说一下，再想了，重新说。
So here it is a small handle here. While you use it, you have to open it like this. And this one, it is the power button for this air compressor. You have to press it. 按下去是不是？
再来个消声器。扯。 拔上来。
And this one is for you to make the noise a little smaller.
拔上就自动的。
See, now you have both L to this machine and also this machine.
这个可以正常工作了。正常工作了。这个也可以正常工作了。这个气压了。
哦，跟他们说一下，用的时候要两只手放在一起，试一下。
很高。
等一下，你很多人不知道怎么弄。手不长。
捞，是吧？不能这样操作。
不能这样，用两只手。 可能老外都是用手歘，那手大。
要会手大吗？应该卡手卡吗？
还不上去，这个可以卡掉。Okay, so while you use this machine, you have to the left hand to handle this part and put it to backward, and also right hand to click that start button at the same time. It has to work at the same time. 试一下。 Yeah, and hold for like 3 seconds, then you can release. Okay, so that is all for all the connections for the machines. Now the first step, the glue remover, and that manual laminating machine, and then also a vacuum laminator and a bubble remover, and also this one. This one need to be connected with the power strip, the power strip only. 这个没记得。 This is the last step for iPhone refurbished only, because for other phones there is no base frame. Only iPhone need to have base frame, so you have to use this base frame laminator.
可以了。 具体说一下。
And usually together with the machine, we will it usually installed with the iPhone 5, the top and bottom mode. So while you receive this machine, you need to change the mode by yourself.
看看我的
Now it is iPhone 6. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, you have to
冷的情况下，
you have to change the top part as well. So now we will show you how to exchange from iPhone 6 to iPhone 5. And while you change this one, you have to make sure that the machine is not under high temperature, or it may hurt your hands. And now we put iPhone 5. First, put the mode with the bottom one like this, and you can make this screw a little loose, so it will make you more easier to do alignment. And then press down. Okay. So that means it has good alignment. And then you can tighten the screws. Okay, like this. See?
把它放个6的6 Plus 的。
And then we will show you how to change the iPhone 6 Plus. You will change the top. Change the top and bottom together. Make it a little loose is okay. See, now it works.
OK，
Okay, so then only set up the temperature, that is fine. The temperature usually it is 170. Okay.
这接着完了。
Okay, so this is the whole setup for the installation. 可以关掉了。
重点在介绍里面。重点
介绍啥？
哪些注意的地方？
都讲完了。
重点再重新温习一遍。
Okay, so for this machine, the first step you have to put this rubber here, and then you know how to install the wine, and then know how to start this motor controller here and connect with the vacuum pump. So that is the setup for this machine, and for this one just connect with the power strip, and you just need to know how to adjust the height of the blade. And that machine to connect with the vacuum pump, but the pump it should together with the pedal. And then the OCA vacuum laminator, you know how to connect with the air compressor and that vacuum pump. And also the air compressor, while you use that, you have to make sure that the connection is correct, and you have to open this red button here to let the air coming out. And the bubble remover just connect with one of the hose of the air compressor. And for that machine, you know how to change the mode for iPhone 6, the versions, that is fine. So that will be the whole setup for this complete set of machines. 可以了。